everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for the people who have seen this face for the very first time, my name is Kaur and I post makeup tutorials and fun food challenge videos. So for the longest time I haven't been posting any makeup tutorials because of my skin. My skin is a lot better thanks to the new skincare products that I've been trying and I've been using. So I'm gonna tell you that soon. But for today's video, I've come up with my favorite look, and I call it the boss look. And it's because that I just find this look really powerful. It's not at all complicated or tough, but yet it just leaves an impression when you walk into the room and when you walk out of the room. So yeah, the boss look coming up your way. Let's start. So I've already done my base, and if you want to know how I do my base or a video tutorial on a flawless base, I'm gonna link my Instagram IGTV video down below because I've posted a whole tutorial on how to get a flawless base. So I'm gonna link that down and do check it out. So right now I'm just gonna start off with my brows, conceal this area, then I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow. So for the brows, I'm gonna use Nykaa Brow Girl Brow Definer in the shade Bewitched Chestnut. So first I'm gonna just brush off. So my brows are now done and I'm gonna move on to concealer. And today for my eyes I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Medium. So I've concealed my eyelids, and for today's look I'm going to use Swiss Beauty exclusive eye color collection 12 ultra professional eyeshadows in the variant 01. And this is a really cheap but good eyeshadow palette, and this was around like 250 to 80 rupees. So beginners, go for it. I really love it. First shade I'm going to use is this brown over here, and let's go. I'm going to use this color on my crease. I've done my crease color, and the light is really bad today. I usually shoot in direct sunlight, but it's an odd time of the day and the light is really bad. So I've shifted you to a place where you can actually see. I've done my crease. It's not very prominent in the camera, but it is prominent to me. So now next I'm gonna use this dark chocolate brown. This is also not visible in the camera, but this is a dark brown color. I'm gonna use it on the outer corners of my eyes. Let's go. So I'm done with the dark brown here on the outer corners of my eye. You can see on this side, not on this side because of the excessive lighting. So but that's okay. In the end I will show you my completed look with a good light, and I'll post some pictures as well. So now I'm going to use this glitter brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to place it on the center of my eye and a little bit on the inside, but not completely. So let's do it. So we're done with the metallic eyeshadow as well, and I hope you can see it. Yes, you can. So the next and the last color we're going to move on to is this shade. It's a more coppery golden shade, not exactly golden. And this shade I'm gonna place this shade here on the inner corners of my eyes, not exactly the corner, but I'm gonna take it a little bit upwards. So let's go. Also guys, if possible, for a good makeup look, any makeup look or a smoky eye, prefer to use different brushes for different eye shades, preferably. So let's go. So I'm done with the golden as well, and right in the last step of the eyeshadow is I'm gonna take this dark brown and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line very carefully. You do not want to go a lot lower than your own lash line, or else your eyes are gonna look droopy, so you don't want that. So very, very, very carefully. So I'm done with this eye look, and now just gonna put on some eyeliner and mascara. So for the eyeliner, I'm gonna use Shimmer Smooth On Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Carbon Black. And this is a very good eyeliner, especially if you want your makeup or your eyeliner to stay for a very, very long time. So this is the eyeliner for you. So eyeliner is done, and the last step is Deborahmilano Divine Volume and Curves Mascara, which is any mascara you can use. So I'm gonna apply this, and don't forget to apply your mascara from the roots. Don't just apply it on your tips. So now for the part where this brown smoky eye actually becomes the boss look is a lipstick, and I'm gonna use a red lipstick. This is a beautiful lipstick by Nykaa from their So Matte collection in the shade 29M Scarlet Siren, and this is such a beautiful, I think it's a blue toned red shade. I'm just gonna apply it now. So the look is finally complete. I am really sorry about the lighting because I don't think it's visible to you the way it should be, but you get the idea, I think. So this is the look. Do try this at home and tell me if you like it, because I just love this look and you're gonna love it too. That was it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try this at home and tell me how it was. And do follow me on Instagram because I post content there, I post tutorials there, and I post updates there. So do check out my Instagram and follow me there if you like my profile. And I'll see you next time with some more awesome content. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, the little bell icon right there, so that you get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Stay happy and stay beautiful.